Guys, so today I'm actually going to take you guys on a little day in the life. With me I have my doctor appointment today, not my 6th week, but he should have checked me when I left the hospital the following Tuesday, and something happened. My mom also couldn't make it or something, I don't know. So we're going today and I'm going to get JAHLIEL ready. So Jonathan is actually watching something. Jonathan, say good morning. Good morning. Yes, so I'm actually going to bathe JAHLIEL. It's the first bath I'm giving him since he got out, you know. Alright. Oh, Uncle Leon is here. Hey, let's see. Put on your lunch cake. I love you. I love you too. Bye. Oh, yeah. Can I carry the phone to come, please? You are worthy, me. Can worship you for me. Hi guys, so a little OOTD. I really wish I had my wig on. I really don't like this wrap. I might just change it how it's tied. But this dress, look at my belly. Oh no. But this dress is from Easy Fashion here in Jamaica. This jacket is from Fashion Nova. I'm wearing my nursing bra, and I don't know if you can see, but I have on my rose, my lime green rose from Bridget Sandals. Oh gosh, my watch. I forgot to put my watch on. So JAHLIEL is in his car seat. He is ready to go. It's the first time he's in the car seat with him. So yeah. This lip gloss is CoverGirl Full Spectrum Gloss Idol, and it's in the, oh, I don't know what color it's, oh, it's in the color FS 100 Disco Balls. So I done got disco balls on my lips, and I'm gonna get my nails done. So excited, because I need to start filming on my LyricRochester channel. So I need to get all of this together, honey, like all of it just together. And I remember my phone actually like because it cracked, as you guys can see there, and like the top part not working. We get that fixed as well. So it's all coming together nicely, and I have my water bottle as well. So it's all coming together nicely. I'm excited about that. Watch your step, babe. What do you mean, oh, I seen at the sun? Yeah, me did hear the noise, you know.
Night last night.
Babe, come on the other side. Okay.
That's why I be get up at this morning.
Yeah. What's that cost, summer? It's not gonna get no better. Yes. He was, yeah, he was. He was supposed to reach out 5 pounds now. You afraid to lift him up? Use that, use that. Seat right here, so.
This you gear?
One next one. If German left it sitting over here, sanitizer, the cotton, the alcohol, the gloves.
So where you get them?
I go by here, that's it. I'm such a man. So, oh yeah, you didn't get them. I said, baby, let me tell.
One sanitizer she gave?
2. That's our one next one. What I collect from Germany.
Ask her for more. I'm not about to see.
Take him up.
No, give me right.
Mommy, I don't think you understand. He will not wake up. Take him up.
So why you don't latch this on?
No, because it's easy for change him diaper.
So this is the one that I understand?
No, I wash it. Oh, them I should say. Somebody buy some premium hats. Oh my God. So them they come today now. I'm wash out 2 of them here. If we go up on the road tomorrow. Because we have AC, so it's always cool. I can take him up.
Oh my God. Hi, JAHLIEL.
Jonathan, so reach home.
Hi, JAHLIEL.
Am I wig up him face and I push up him mouth.